Hi everyone, welcome to my first video. My name's Renee, I'm with Jade Penguin Jewelry. I'm going to show you today how to upcycle this necklace that's broken. You can see the wire came out of the end into a pair of earrings and possibly more jewelry. So since this wire is already off, I'll go ahead and slide all of these beads off and get them into a nice pile over here. Just gonna go ahead and cut these remaining two wires. And set this aside. So we have some of these silver tube beads. You want to try to find sets of beads that will make an even pair of earrings. So I have two silver hoops and some head pins that we can use. That we can trim at different lengths. So I kind of like these bicone elongated diamonds. So I'm going to see what we have that we could make something with. These are a fun option too. I kind of like the bubbles more. I might go with the bubbles. This might be a good place to start. We'll go ahead and grab an eye pin. Put the small silver bead on. This guy, oh, he might be too small. Oh, nope, there we go. Gonna go ahead and make a hook. Here's our first one. We'll keep our little wire bits up there. I'm gonna do it again so we have a matching. So there we go. We have the two little silver bubbles made. And grab two more head pins. Now if you don't have one of these eyelet tools, you can use some round needle nose and some wire cutters. I love these little silver spacers. And one more. So to use your round pliers, you want to bend the wire at the top. Grab it with your round nose pliers and wrap it around. And give the extras a little bit of a trim. There we go. I'm a little bit spoiled by this tool here. As you can tell that they're two different shapes. This is one of my favorite tools that I use. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Grabbing from our nice collection of beads. There's a little hole on this back side that when you feed a really long hit pin or eye pin through, it cuts it off. And if you have some really soft head pins, like that one was softer, you're going to have to help it close with either a needle nose plier or your round nose plier. There we go. Only one left to go. And then my favorite tool goes and jams on you guys on the first video. Alright. So we have the bones of some earrings. If we wanted to, another option that we could have done is done an eyelet with our center beads there. That way we could have continued and maybe hung another charm off of it or made them a little bit longer. So now I'm just going to open up those hoops that we made and put them on the silver rounds. Now these silver rounds, I believe I got them at a craft store in a pack of, I want to say 10. While I would love to have everything be 100% repurposed or upcycled, there's some parts that you just can't reuse, or there's parts that probably shouldn't be reused. Ear wires, any of the hooks or anything, I always use new ones when I put them on, just because I don't know where the previous ear wires have been or anything like that. So we have this one done. We'll do the same for this. Just open those little eye hooks and hook them onto your circle. They look a little bit like dream catchers. And there we have it. I'm gonna add, that might be big enough. Let's see if these will open far enough and we can get these in. There we go. Twist it back and close it up. Do the same on this one. And there we go, we have one pair of earrings from that necklace with mini parts left over. So we could even do an extra set of earrings if we had a matching set. We have these spacer beads here that we could easily do. We have cap beads left over that we could also use. We have another set of the bubble beads, or these long accent beads. We can make a matching set if we wanted to. So that's my first video. Thank you for watching.